and see through them blinds, homie. And see through the truth and them lies, homie. Just let it go, let it go, let it go.
Y'all niggas know what the fuck it is, man. Young Khalifa, man.
I done stayed on top of my game. Gain control of my lane. Paid so much for my frames. Put these little niggas to shame. Order so many them bottles, you think I'm insane. Already changed the game once, I done told you, but now I'ma do it, and now I'ma do it again. Tell the club owners we need more sections. I made these little niggas go cop they Rolexes. You get the venue, you gon' need more bouncers. And tell the weed man we gon' need more ounces. 100 grand in a rubber band. Used to be the